पुरस्कार सभी को खुशी देते हैं। सम्मान और उसकी चमक से सरोबार होकर हर किसी को सुकून मिलता है। सम्मान की इसी कड़ी को आगे बढ़ाते हुए नई दिल्ली में 1 दिसंबर 2024 को आयोजित इंडियन चेंज मेकर्स अवार्ड 2024 के पुरस्कार विजेताओं को सम्मानित किया गया। कार्यक्रम में सम्मानित मुख्य अतिथि के रूप में रविंदर सिंह मौजूद रहे। बता दें कि इंडियन चेंज मेकर्स अवार्ड 2024 उन लेखकों, ब्रांडों, व्यवसायों और व्यक्तिगत व्यक्तित्वों को सम्मानित करने के लिए प्रदान किया जाता है जो अपने विशिष्ट कार्य से भीड़ से अलग खड़े होते हैं। इंडियन चेंज मेकर्स अवार्ड 2024 एड इनोवा, एस्ट्रोवेंसर और एनकडोट पब्लिशिंग हाउस की एक पहल है और इस कार्यक्रम में विभिन्न उद्योग जगत के नेताओं और विशिष्ट अतिथियों ने भी भाग लिया। कार्यक्रम आयोजकों में सुष्मिता गुप्ता, एड इनोवा की संस्थापक, सागर आजाद, एनकडोट पब्लिशिंग हाउस के संस्थापक और सौगत दास गुप्ता, एस्ट्रोवेंसर के संस्थापक द्वारा शुरू किया गया, जिससे लोग समाज में अपनी पहचान बना सकें। साथ ही आयोजकों ने इस आयोजन की सफलता और इसे इतना भव्य बनाने के लिए आगे आने वाले लोगों के प्रयासों के लिए हार्दिक धन्यवाद दिया। पुरस्कार समारोह की शुरुआत दीप प्रज्वलन से हुई। इसके बाद एआई के प्रभाव पर एक पैनल चर्चा हुई। रितिका आनंद द्वारा एक पुस्तक लॉन्च की गई और एक सम्मान समारोह और धन्यवाद प्रस्ताव के साथ समापन हुआ।
I'm glad काफी सारे लोगों ने कुछ अचीव किया है यहाँ पे, साहित्य से जुड़े हुए लोग हैं। I am happy that I am giving away awards to people who happen to pen down their stories that they want to tell to people, and I look forward to listen to their stories, read their works, and all the very best to them. जब हम अपनी लाइफ को चेंज करने निकलते हैं तो हम चाहते ना चाहते हुए बहुत सारे लोगों की लाइफ भी चेंज कर रहे होते हैं। Let's just ensure that is a better change. मुझे हमेशा से एक चीज लगी है कि leave people in a better space than you found them. जेन जी के लिए कोई मैसेज नहीं है, जेन जी हमें मैसेज दे रही है आजकल। लॉन्ग टर्म गोल देखिए शॉर्ट टर्म की जगह।
Hi everyone, this is Sushmita Gupta. I am one of the organizer of Indian Changemakers Award 2024. We are very elated to honor all the businesses, brands, individual personalities from different fields who have come all the way, not just from all across India, but from abroad too. And हम लोग बहुत खुश हैं उनकी achievement को celebrate करते हुए. So yeah, we are very thankful to everyone. Thank you.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मेरा नाम सागर आज़ाद है। मैं फाउंडर हूँ एनेक्डोट पब्लिशिंग हाउस का। आज यहाँ न्यू दिल्ली मयूर विहार में क्राउन प्लाजा होटल में हम लोगों ने इंडियन चेंज मेकर्स अवार्ड ऑर्गेनाइज किया है। यहाँ पे पूरे इंडिया के कोने कोने से हमने ऑथर्स को बुलाया है जो कि चेंज मेकर्स है, जो अपनी राइटिंग के थ्रू देश और समाज को चेंज कर रहे हैं। अपनी राइटिंग के थ्रू एक पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट लेके आ रहे हैं हमारे देश के लिए। और ये अवार्ड नॉट ओनली इन इंडिया के बाहर से भी कई ऑथर्स आए हैं, इतना इस अवार्ड का क्रेज था। और ये पहला अवार्ड था हमारा और हम आगे भी ऐसे कई अवार्ड्स करने वाले हैं ओनली ऑथर्स के लिए, ताकि इंडिया में हमारा रीडिंग एंड राइटिंग कल्चर जो हमारा मिशन है उसको हम आगे लेके जा सकें।
Hello everyone, I am Sarat Ahmed from Delhi, and I have written a self-help book that is Unleashing Your Radiant Self, which is about how a person can be a self-radiant person, how a person can be a motivation factor for himself or herself. They don't need any other motivator. They need themselves to be motivated. So this award is Changemakers Award, Indian Changemakers Award, which I got. And thanks to the organizers for making this book as a self-help book of the year 2024. So I would like every one of you to read this book and understand what you need to grow, what you need to be self-confident, what you need to be someone in your life, right? You don't need any motivator. You don't need someone to help you. Unless and until you won't help yourself, nobody will help you. Unless and until you will not recognize that I can do this, nobody will come and say, you need to do this.
My name is Vishal Bhanti. Today I received this award for my book, Be Your Own Stress Buster. In this book, we have talked about the practical ways of handling stress in our daily lives. And this is more like an interactive book, interactive way of writing it where people can go and assess themselves based on their personality and character. The one very good point which I want to mention here about my book is three factors which I have mentioned: EQ, IQ and TQ. If you have good emotional stability, you can use your intelligence and then you can develop the trust. If you have trust, definitely you will have more meaningful life. That is the theme of my book. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dr. Anshul Gupta, founder of the corporatespirituality.com and author of two books. That's The Spiritual Indian Corporate and The Corporate Spirituality. So the entire idea is of getting corporate and spirituality together, engaging the spirit of the employees, which is the highest form of engagement that we can have at work. In the pace of changing technologies and AI, engaging the spirit is something that becomes essential. So that is what the work is about. It is fully measurable. It is a fresh dimension in management.
Hi everyone, with the grace of God, my Lord Sri Thakur Anukul Chandra ji, and with the blessings of my parents, my husband, I got this award. By profession, I'm a teacher, and you know that teachers are the change maker of the society. So I hope I will do the great work in future. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Richa Agarwal Goyal. I'm a writer and author and someone who is very passionate about the concept of women empowerment. Thank you, Anecdote Publishing House, and thank you, Ravinder Singh, for the award. It means a lot, and I would just like this opportunity to thank the most important people in my life who have made this possible, and it's my parents, my family, my husband, and my kids. Thank you.
Thank you, Change Makers, for this wonderful award for my debut book, The Rajini in Me. I'm truly grateful, and I would like to thank Mr. Sagar as well, who has helped me to nominate for this award. And I feel so honored to receive from our guest of honor, Mr. Ravinder Singh, who is one of the best-selling authors in this nation. And it really inspires authors like us to do more for everyone who wants to read and hear more from us. Yeah.
Well, thank you, first of all, for honoring me, but this is not solely mine. My husband and my daughter have been my inspiration. And however, the first step has to come from within us. And so I would like to say to all the authors that keep on going. The journey from, your vision to your dream come true is just a story away. Thank you.
मेरा नाम प्रशांत राणा है. मुझे साइंस फिक्शन बुक ऑफ द ईयर का अवार्ड मिला है फॉर बुक जेसन द गार्डियन ऑफ सिग्नस. तो ये प्रोग्राम मतलब इस प्रोग्राम के बारे में क्या कहना चाहें? यूथ के लिए यही मैसेज देना चाहेंगे भी अगर आपको अपनी कुछ आपको एक्सप्रेस करना है तो राइटिंग एक बहुत अच्छा मीडियम है आपको अपने फीलिंग्स को, अपने थॉट्स को एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए.
क्या कहना चाहिए मैम आज के प्रोग्राम के लिए, कैसा लगा?
So I really like how we have all the authors and there are such encouraging stories, and I think there are these moments in life when we become authors. They transform us into authors and we decide to write. Like my book is about good touch and bad touch, and I as an educator was encouraged because I realized that there is a resource missing. So that's when I decided that I should write this book.
Hello, my name is Ritika Anand, and my sannyas name is Maprem Jaya. I have just completed and launched my book at the Indian Change Makers Awards of 2024. My book is called Being Selfish, A Dream Chaser's Way Home. And I would really like to thank the Indian Change Makers Awards and all its organizers for inviting me to this event and for giving me an opportunity to launch my book here. It's a beautiful event, and I can't tell you how humbled I am to be a part of a room full of so much intellect. It touches my heart, and it stimulates my mind, and it inspires my soul. So thank you very much, and I hope that this event is going to keep.
Hi, this is Syed. I am from Karnataka. आज बहुत खुशी हो रही है क्योंकि आज हम लोग को इंडियन चेन मेकर अवार्ड मिला है। ये हमारा डायरेक्ट सेलिंग कंपनी है, ये हमारा इस साल का दूसरा अवार्ड है। सो बहुत खुशी हो रही है, इडेनोवा की तरफ से आज हम लोग को ये अवार्ड मिला है। सो वेरी ब्यूटीफुल। आई एम क्या बोलते हैं, खुशी सह नहीं पा रहा हूँ। तो आज हमारे डायरेक्ट सेलिंग कंपनी को और इसको अवार्ड मिला है कि आज हम ये इंडिया के अंदर पैन इंडिया जो हमारा जो कर्नाटक में हमारा बेस्ट सेलिंग कर्नाटका कंपनी है, आज हमारा इंडिया पैन इंडिया को जा रहा है कंपनी। तो ये बहुत मुझे यूज होएगा ये अवार्ड। सो थैंक्स टू ऑल इडेनोवा टीम जिन्होंने आज हम लोग को हमारी जो वर्क को पहचाना और हमको इतना ये अवार्ड दिया। So really thanks.
I'm Simran Mingrajani, and I'd like to start by saying Sangachatvam. Sangachatvam, we all go together, we belong to each other. I'm a rank holder, Maharashtra topper, do social work, not because for the fame and acclaim, because I believe we give back to society, and I like to manifest joy because it comes back to you multifold. I had a near fatal accident where a 17-year-old girl left me to die on the road. And when I lay on that on the floor, it still puts me back to that time and makes me want to cry. See, I'm stammering when I think about it, but that's it. When I was over there lying, thinking I'm about to die, I realized that if I ever get the gift of life back, I'd like to do something. Those baby steps which I did for teaching students and making a difference, now want acclaim. You know why? Not for me. No, applause is not for me. It is for me to get recognition, to have access to more. The more they access, then you know what happens? The more responsibility I take.
Hi, my name is Dr. Prashant Nayak. I am a doctor by profession, but a writer by choice. So as you can see, this is my second book, which is based on the COVID fast wave, the life of a COVID warrior. As you know, that COVID has brought a tremendous change in all of our lives, but while I was working as a faculty at AIIMS Raipur in Etosha Healthcare Center, there we have seen the actual impact of COVID on the healthcare workers, on the public, and the entire world. And that time I felt something, an inner urge that told me that yes, I should depict it, I should write it down, that what exactly we are facing when we are the frontliners. That's inspired me, that's why I penned it down, and finally it came as a book. I'm very happy that I could make it and I could made it, and it is for all of you to read, and I hope it will give you some impression that how this COVID wave has impacted all of us, other than what we have seen in others' views, but in my view. So I hope that all of you will read it and have a happy reading. Thank you very much.
I thank Changemaker. I thank Changemaker for this award, and I was earlier the Dean of Biotechnology, JNU earlier. Now I am an author. I am busy in writing books, and I thank the organizers for giving me this award.
This is Dr. Nidhi S. Khetrapal, a QET book writer. At the very early stage of my career, I found out that I want to be a teacher, and then once I become the teacher, through the process of my learning thing, I got to know that book writing is the ultimate dream that I want to accomplish. And here I am, getting the award for my first book, that is Vision CUET 2025. Very soon in December, it will go at the various social websites, and I hope I am serving my best purpose to the commerce fraternity by launching this book.
Hello, this is Advocate Amrita Mishra. I was awarded this Indian Changemaker Awards, and I was very happy to see young people, young authors writing so many books, and it inspired me so much. I am not a writer, I am a non-writer, but yes, meeting all these authors, it inspired me that I should also write a new book on something relating to my subject.
अच्छा, मेरा नाम डॉक्टर जयश्री ओम है और आज का इवेंट बहुत ही शानदार, खूबसूरत और वेरी वेल ऑर्गेनाइज्ड था।
I am thankful to the organizers. और मैं एक ऑथर हूँ और मेरे 7 बुक्स हैं जो कि अमेजन पे अवेलेबल हैं। मेरे बुक के नाम है द एंशिएंट साइंस ऑफ वास्तु एंड वास्तु रेमेडीज। उनको परचेज कीजिए, वास्तु के रियल नॉलेज लीजिए एंड बुक को रिव्यू कीजिए। थैंक यू।
Good afternoon. I'm Virat Datta Bhaumik. I'm from Tripura. I'm here to represent Dainik Samvad, the largest circulated daily newspaper. Indian Changemaker Award Committee has selected me on behalf of Dainik Samvad to come and receive the award. It's an immense pleasure and honor to be here, to be recognized as a change maker in the field of journalism and mass media. Dainik Samvad thanks Dr. Shogato, who is a son of the soil, for his tremendous effort, and I wish Indian Changemaker all the best to bring up more and more change makers in future. Thank you so much.
My name is Chirantanu Devnath and I am from Tripura, and I am the founder and the lead photographer of Viva Stories. I want to thank especially Shogat Dasgupta and rest of the organizers for arranging this great event and arranging this bringing together all the people, and it feels great to have this award. Thank you.
Hi, I am Snashish Bonik. I am the founder and CEO of InnoDecor. InnoDecor is an interior design firm who designs and creatively made interiors. We don't only design, we also execute the perfect interior for your space. We are specialized in residential and commercial spaces, and we do design for the betterment of our society and for the betterment of our living culture.
Hi everyone, this is Suresh Kochibutla. I am a co-author for the book Ciphers of Time, Awakening the Legacy. This is the first part of the series that we have wrote. It's a mythological thriller, and I'm really glad that all our efforts were recognized in the Changemakers Award ceremony today. It was an awesome event. Thanks to organizers for organizing such an event, and after all the work we put in, this is a really amazing feeling to be recognized by such a reputable event.